we have covered safety from fire, and fire hazard can be prevented by following some simple rules. So tell me, the ways through which we can be, the fire can be caused. Tell tell me the ways through which the fire can be caused. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Hamna Kashif, you tell me. Very good. Very good, mashallah. Hmm. Okay, Rushda, you also tell. Rushda is asking. One more time, beta. It was not that clear. Yes, good, very good. Now, okay. So I'll ask another question. I will ask another question. Now, raise your hand. Tell me the few rules for by following that we can be safe from the fire hazard. Okay. Okay, Aksa. Yes, very good. Now, Maria Khalid, you tell me. How can we save from these fire hazards? Okay, tell me. Appliances. Beta, let her complete first. Yes, oh, good. And yes, this Aisha Iqbal, you also can tell. Aisha, yes. That only how can we save from fire hazard? Now you can see her video is off. Yeah. Okay. Uh, now I'll ask another question. That means tell me the some ways how to put off the different type of fire. Now listen. Yes, Anam Javed. You tell me. Anam Javed. Anam. Hamna. Hamna, you tell me. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Yes, but why have you opened your video again? Hmm. That's good. Okay, okay. Now, Imad Ahmed, you tell me how to put out fire if a person's clothing catches fire, or what to do if person's clothing catches fire. Imad, am I audible to you, Imad? Mariam Mirza, yes, tell me how to put off fire when somebody's clothing catches fire. Hmm. Hmm. Eh? Hmm. More point you can add, which I told. Hmm. Okay. Now, Imad Ahmad, you also tell me. Imad, Imad is not listening. Anam Javed, Muhammad Eraz, Muhammad Eraz. Yes, the same question. Hmm. What to do when a person's clothing catches fire? No, I asked for that. What should we do when a person's clothing catches fire? This is a specific case. So what should we do? Hmm. Aisha Iqbal. Aisha Iqbal. Yes, tell me. Hmm. Yes, we can use water also to control the flame, and then person can roll on the floor, and then it can be covered with by using the thick blanket. So these are the few first aid what that we can do to means what you this not exactly first aid. This means how to put out the fire if somebody's clothing catches fire. Yes, we can cover it with the thick blanket. Why with the thick blanket? Because fire cannot be burned without oxygen. Oxygen is very important. Oxygen is needed for the burning process. If we cover with the thick blanket, means that stop the oxygen supply, and the fire can be stopped automatically. So if the fire is on a small scale, means like somebody's clothing catches fire in that case, or some place and at a home which immediately or sometimes suddenly catches fire, at that place also a small thing or a small object catches fire, that also we can cover with a thick blanket to stop the fire. Why to this covering with the thick blanket or the thick any thick covering, that stops the oxygen supply, and that stops burning itself. It's thick, so it doesn't allow air to enter in it. So that stop oxygen supply. So, hmm. Hello, can you tell me what is first aid? Just definition, what you understand with this term. Okay, tell me. Just one at a time. Halima, Halima, rest all of you quiet. Hmm. I ask only what is first aid. First aid. I'm not asking first aid for the some specific case. What do you understand with the term first aid? Mariam Mirza, you tell me. Mariam Mirza, yes. What is first aid? What is it? What are you telling? What are you telling? First aid. You were there when I was explaining in the class? In the beginning of the class, I explained this. Were you there? So, what are you telling? This is what? First aid is just the first help, immediate help. Means after the person get injured or after an accident, the first help what can you provide to the injured person or the sick person or the person which is means get affected by the accident or something. So first help is actually the first aid before the person reaches to the doctor or the doctor reaches to the person. That before that, what the immediate help you can provide, what means how can you save in that period, how can you reduce the harm, that is actually the first aid. So and then first aid is different for the different cases. I mean, different specific cases are there. The different type of first aid is there. If like burning is there, burning is also of three type, means the minor, severe, or the chemical burning. On the basis of that, you just have to give the first aid. First aid will be different, or the first aid is different for the cut and catches and all. So cut and scratches and all. So in all these we will discuss inshallah in the next class. in this class I told you what is first aid. So first aid is just a first help or the immediate help provided to the injured person immediately after the injury. Fine. So now, yes, if like suppose a small cut is there, then you can help very easily. Yes. So now, then the different type of first aid which we provide in different cases that we'll discuss in the next class, inshallah. Or before that, we have to discuss the exercises and question answer of the chapter two. And because this in this class I have not discussed because of some issues, so I'll discuss first those and then I'll continue with the first aid and in different specific conditions. Hmm? No, no, no. I'll get it inshallah. Don't take tension. Okay, Islam.